Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I'm back with Margarita and we show you a perfect school style that is quickly done as a ponytail. Just split the hair in the crown on the top. I'm using some water to avoid the flyaways, and then I'm combing the hair down, and right over her right eye I'm taking a portion of hair that is more or less 2 fingers wide. Comb everything good through and then clip it away for the time being. Then do exactly the same thing, 2 fingers wide, until more or less the middle of her left eye, so you see it on the right hand side, and then combine to a rectangular shape from where you ended the first parting. Comb everything good through. I clip this away too, just for the time being, and then take the remaining hair that is not from the crown into a low ponytail. We're going to start with the left hand side. I'm applying some oil because she still has from the summer slightly dry hair, and then I'm applying to the edges some gel with a toothbrush because this makes me apply the gel there where I really want to have it. Then from the front we're taking a portion of hair, this is again about 2 fingers wide, and we're going to split this into 3 strands, and this time we do a French braid. So we're bringing the strands over and then add in hair. Here we combine to the strand a new portion, and then we bring it over the middle strand, and then again take some hair, combine it with the strand and bring it over the middle. Hold everything close to the scalp. That makes that the braid does not loosen up and it looks neater. Take a portion of hair, combine it with the strand, add some hair gel. It is helpful if you have some gel on the back of your hand, and then you braid until there's no more hair to incorporate. And then I'm going to the length. I want these braids to be braided until the end, and when I reach the end I will tie it off with a little hair elastic. If you have some hairs that are shorter, it's always helpful to stick them together with the rest with some hair gel, and then this style and these braids can last perfectly 3 days. Tie off with a little hair elastic and do the same thing on the other side. I used some oil again. Now I'm correcting here the parting. This can always happen when you do it at the very beginning and you are not so attentive. Then be careful, because it could be that you have to correct. I corrected because I want this to be the same size. Then I'm applying again gel to the edges and I'm combing it through. Take the same portion, same width from the front, split it into 3 equal strands, and we start again to bring the strands over the middle. Add hair to the strand and then bring it together over. Always in a French braid, I first add the hair to the strand and then I bring it over. With a Dutch braid, it's a bit different. Do this until there is no more hair to incorporate, and then I'm switching hands when all the hair is incorporated, and I braid until, you see now, with palms down, I'm braiding until the very end, always adding some extra gel if needed. And then when I reach the end, a little clear elastic helps to bring it all together. These little braids we clip away for the time being, and now I'm going to do a portion just with the hair from the back. This was water and some hairspray, and I tie this high up with clear elastics. Take these elastics when you do the ponytail double, so I always take 2. Here the same thing. Now the edges, that is like a triangle, I combine that to the middle portion of the hair, and I'm using again some hairspray, and I pull this over to the ponytail and then make sure that the new hair tie goes under the first hair tie, because like this everything holds better. Now I want to bring these over, but first, to make it perfect, we are hiding the clear elastic with a strand of hair, wrap it around, bring it through the topsy tail, and now with the same topsy tail tool I stick the braid into each other. I cross them, and like this they won't move that much, and you don't need any bobby pin or hair clip. And this is our final result: to French braid crossed over the high ponytail. You can also have this in a half up style, whatever is best for you. Hope you subscribe to our channel and see you back soon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.